Social listening tools look for mentions of brands, particular words, phrases, or hashtags on social media platforms. Marketers can use them to track and measure the success of marketing campaigns, identify potential customers or leads, and understand how the competition is doing. Social listening tools are pieces of software that let users listen in on, track, and analyze conversations on social media. This can be very helpful for companies that want to know what people are saying about their brand or industry online. Social listening tools can keep track of mentions of brand names, specific keywords, phrases, or hashtags. There are many different social listening tools available, but not all of them are the same. Here are the best social listening tools to try in 2023. Brand24 is one of the most powerful and affordable social listening and online media monitoring tools on the market. The tool covers a wide range of sources, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Telegram, Twitch, Reddit, and Quora. The tool also lets you keep track of all the conversations happening online by monitoring blogs, news sites, review sites, podcasts, newsletters, and forums. 1. Brand24 tracks real-time brand mentions. It is a web monitoring tool with a robust analytics section. The mentions are kept in an easy-to-use dashboard. You'll find the following inside the tool. Tab with advanced filters for the mentions. Estimated social media reach tells you how many people might have seen your social media posts. Sentiment analysis provides a general overview of how your brand, product, or campaign is received on social media. The total number of social media likes, shares, and comments. The most common mentions. Top public figures who discuss your brand. Popular hashtags and links. Most popular brand-related websites. Reputation and presence score. Discussion context. The algorithms that run machine learning make it possible for social media sentiment analysis to produce accurate results. The notification system is another great feature of Brand24. You can get an in-app notification, an email, or connect your account to a dedicated Slack channel whenever there is a new mention in the dashboard. Brand24 gathers all of the public mentions and reports them in real time. 2. Brandwatch. Starts at $1,000/month for 10,000 mentions. Detailed pricing information is available upon request. Brandwatch is a social listening tool for businesses. Despite having a lot of features, it's not cheap. Brandwatch is a comprehensive social media monitoring tool. It includes major social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitch, as well as blogs, forums, review sites, and news sites. Brandwatch has features like geolocalization image recognition, API access to powerful demographic data industry trends. Brandwatch also has something called Vizia, which is a platform for visualizing data. Vizia helps you visualize real-time data and turn complicated information into insights that are simple to understand. 3. Twitter. Free social media listening tool. TweetDeck is a social media listening tool that is only used for Twitter. Only posts from this platform are gathered and analyzed by the tool. Managing multiple social media profiles can be difficult, but TweetDeck can help. TweetDeck shows you all of your tweets and your Twitter feed in one place. You can get a quick overview of your news feed, private messages, and popular topics. Important features: monitoring of users, hashtags, and mentions. Posting and scheduling. Direct communication. TweetDeck is a great tool, but it doesn't offer any advanced analytics like social media reach or Twitter sentiment analysis. And this tool only works on Twitter. 4. Awario. Awario is an online monitoring tool with analytical and reporting capabilities. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, YouTube, blogs, forums, and news are all monitored by the tool. Unfortunately, it doesn't monitor Telegram or TikTok. Awario is used for the most important monitoring goals. It will help you increase brand awareness, find sales opportunities, connect with customers on social media, and find influencers. One of the most cost-effective tools is Awario. At the same time, it is quite simple. Because of this, It is a good option for small to medium-sized businesses that want to track where their name is mentioned online. Important features: monitoring in real time, sentiment analysis, email notifications. White label reports don't have a company name on them. 5. Buffer. Buffer is a platform for managing social media. You can easily schedule social media posts and interact with your audience using the tool. It also provides a single inbox for all of your social media messages. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are just a few of the major social media platforms that Buffer supports. It also has a section on audience behavior that can help you make more effective social media campaigns. The core product does not include a social media monitoring feature. To gain access, you must also purchase Buffer Reply, which costs $39 per user per month. Only Twitter is currently supported by the monitoring feature. The fact that listening is only available on Twitter, in my opinion, is disappointing. Instead of paying for Buffer Reply, we can use TweetDeck for free for this purpose. Important features: posting and scheduling, examining the effectiveness of social media, Twitter keyword, phrase, or hashtag tracking, email notifications. 6. Sprout Social. Another tool for managing social media with a focus on social listening is Sprout Social. The tool gathers brand mentions on popular social media sites like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and YouTube. It provides social media automation to help you manage your online presence and get the information you need to grow your business. Sprout Social helps you manage your presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Sprout Social provides social media management and publishing services in addition to social listening. Important features: keywords and hashtags are being watched. Analysis of social media sentiment. Find out how many people are talking about something. 7. Keyhole. Keyhole is another social listening tool that can be used for both monitoring and social media management. Keyhole gives you the information you need to make smart decisions by letting you monitor how your social media accounts are doing on sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. The tool also has social media analytics, allowing you to look more closely at sentiment, keyword clouds, and geographic data of your mentions. Hashtag tracking is one of Keyhole's strongest features. You can keep track of how your hashtags are doing on various social media sites. The information can be used to gauge the effectiveness of your social media campaigns. Important features: keywords and hashtags are being watched. Sentiment analysis, brand comparisons, notifications,